everybody, welcome to today's maths lesson. Today is Wednesday, the 20th of January, and we are doing more work on calendars today, okay? So yesterday you revised your days of the week and you started to read calendars, and today we are actually looking at a monthly diary and we're looking at the calendar month of April, okay? So this is going to be part of your activity, your task. So listen very carefully so that you know what to do when it comes to completing your task, okay? Now, Ava's diary of the month. So here we've the calendar month of April. And if you notice on each box, there's an activity or a task written down, okay? And people, especially in my family or my house, we like to write down on calendars things that are coming up. So it reminds us that we have to do something like take the dog to the vet, go to the dentist. So we write down all these little notes on the calendar to remind us. Do you guys do that in your house? Does anyone have a calendar up in their kitchen or their bedroom? Do you mark off certain days, like special days, your birthday, your mum or dad's birthday, little things like that? So think about it. Do you use a calendar in your house? I know lots of people tend to take notes now on their phones, especially mums and dads, but I know in my house we still use a calendar and I find it very, very helpful. Now, how to read a calendar that has different things written on it, okay? Tasks and activities on it. So this month is the month of April. There are how many days in April? There are 30 days in April. It starts on the 1st, which is a Thursday, and the last day of April, which is the 30th, is a Friday. So I can scroll up and see that. Now, Ava takes part in lots of activities. If I look on Thursday, she seems to go swimming. It seems to be her swim day. Do any of you guys have a particular day that you go swimming on? So look, if I think of it, Thursday, the 1st of April, she goes swimming. The 8th of April, so a week later, I'll count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that's a week later, 7 days. She also goes swimming on Thursday. Another week on, she goes swimming again on the 15th. So the 22nd, she goes swimming, and the 29th, she goes swimming. How many times is Ava going to go swimming in the month of April? Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So she's going to have 5 swimming lessons in the month of April. Now let's have another look at an activity. Can you find the day that Ava goes dancing? Well done over here. It's Tuesday. So if I have a look, she goes dancing on the 6th, the 13th, the 20th, and the 27th. So these are her dancing days, and that's on a Tuesday. So each week, every Tuesday, she goes dancing on a Tuesday. Good job. Go to the 11th. What activity is she going to do on the 11th of April? So I'm going to go through my numbers, count on the 9th, the 10th, the 11th. So she's going to visit the zoo with her family. What day is that? You're right, it's a Sunday. So she's going to visit the zoo with her family on a Sunday, okay? So Ava's written down all these things in her calendar to remind her to do them. Now, on the next page, there is a list of questions that I'm going to go through with you, and they're all based on Ava's calendar, okay? Now, this is your activity. I'm not going to answer these questions, but I'm going to explain them as we go along so that you're able to do your activity, okay? So, question 1, how many days did Ava go swimming in April? Oh, we've already answered that one, so have another look. Question 2, she went dancing. On how many days in the month? So go through the days that she went dancing. Question 3, something is the day for her speech and drama. So what day, like swimming was Thursdays, Tuesdays was dancing. So what day is her speech and drama? Question 4, how many weeks between her 2 visits to the library? Oh, so how many weeks were there? So if I look here, she went to the library on Friday the 2nd. Then she didn't go again until the 23rd. So I'm going to count up. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 1 week that she didn't go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 2 weeks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's actually 3 weeks because there's 3 sevens I can count in there. So it's 3 weeks since she went to the library. She visited her friend's house on the something of April. So where did she visit her friend? What day was it? What date was it? She goes something on Wednesday. So what does she do on Wednesdays? On what date did she go to the cinema? Look for the word cinema. How many birthday parties did she attend? Look for the word birthday parties. What date? So she went to the zoo on what date was that? And what date had she nothing planned? So a day off. And a challenge at the end.